Hi, it's Flytime Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. We had a great summer of shopping and in the pool and just having some fun, but can you believe our kids are about to go back to school already? So you know what that means. A lot of shopping right here at Compare Foods for those after-school snacks and meals. So you gotta help us out.
Yeah, we're getting ready for back to school, but we want to keep our kids eating healthy. So we're here with Mom and Charlotte's social media influencer, Xochil Silva. Give us some tips and tricks of how we can get those nutrients into our kids, but we're kind of like sneaking in some vegetables on their plate and they don't even know it because they love it and it's so good. So what's tip number one of how you get your kids to eat fruit and veggies?
Have it as snacks, ready to go. Ziploc bags, sliced, ready to go.
Sliced and diced.
Sliced and diced. That sounds good, but my kids just not gonna eat sliced apples like they're delicious. So can you make it kind of fun and exciting? What ways can I, present it?
Sure.
Okay.
Hummus, add some dips.
Oh yeah.
Guacamole. Everything tastes great with
Got
guacamole.
some.
Everything is good with guacamole.
And let's not forget our favorite, tahini.
Ooh, a little spice.
A little spice.
Spicy.
I like that. So a great way to entice our kids to eat some veggies, like some dips and just making it fun, right? But sometimes I feel like we maybe fall into a rut of like getting the same fruit all the time. Are there some other fun fruit that we can kind of maybe step outside of our comfort zone and try that our kids will love?
If you're sick and tired of apples, no problem. Mango.
Ooh,
And
got that.
how about a little dragon fruit?
Wow.
Don't be afraid.
Yeah.
It doesn't bite. And if your child doesn't like bell peppers, try the sweet baby bell peppers. They are sweet.
And my kids love sweet, and I know your daughter does as well. So try something new and exciting. Make those after-school snacks fun right here at Compare Foods. And don't forget to follow Xochil on social media for some of those tips and tricks on how you can get your kids eating healthy. It's Flytime Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. Make sure you follow us on Instagram.
Let's go shopping. Come on.